Hello friends, welcome to our channel Simply Mathematical. In this video, let us do the problem number 5, 6, 7 and 8 of the exercise 2.1 of the chapter 2 Relations and Functions from standard 11th. Okay. Now the problem 5 here is, if A is equal to the set -1, 1, find A cross A cross A. Set A is given as -1, 1. You have to find A cross A cross A. Definition of A cross A cross A is the set of all elements A, B, C such that A belongs to A, B also belongs to A and C also belongs to A. If we write this set, then the elements in the set will be -1, -1, -1. This -1 is from A, so all these elements are from A. Also we can write the element -1, 1, 1. -1 is in the set A, 1 is in also the set A. So this element will be there in A cross A cross A. -1, -1, 1, then -1, 1, -1. Also we can write elements 1, 1, 1, 1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, 1, -1. So these are all the elements in the set A cross A cross A. That was the problem number 5. Now let us go to the problem number 6. Problem number 6 is, if A cross B is equal to the set A, X, A, Y, B, X, B, Y. Find A and B. A cross B is given as A, X, A, Y, B, X, B, Y. We have to find A and B. You look at the elements in the set A cross B and you look at the first element in each ordered pair. So here the first element is A, Here also the first element is A. So the set A will contain the element A, because the set A cross B is the set of all elements A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That is, first element in the ordered pair will belong to A and the second element of the ordered pair will belong to B. So the element A comma, so the element A will be there in the set A. Then you look at the next element which is in the first place of the ordered pairs. So that is B. So B will also be there in the set A. And the set B will have the elements which are in the second place of the ordered pair. So X is one element and then Y is another element. That was the problem number 6. Now let us go to the problem number 7. Let A be equal to the set 1, 2, B be equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, C be equal to the set 5, 6, and D be equal to the set 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Second, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Set A is given to be 1, 2. Set B is given to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Set C is 5, 6, and set D is 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to first verify A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. First you look at the LHS. LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C. That is equal to A cross B intersection C will be all the elements which are common to B and C. There are no elements common to B and C, so B intersection C will be empty set. Cross product of any element with empty set is empty set. RHS is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, which is equal to A cross B will be the set 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 6. Intersection A cross C will be the set A cross B will be the set 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. Intersection A cross C will be the set 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 6. You can see that these two sets have no element common between them. So this is equal to empty set. So therefore LHS, which is equal to empty set, is equal to RHS, which is equal to empty set. That was the problem number 7.1. Now let us go to the problem number 7.2. We have to verify that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. A cross C is equal to set 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 6. B cross D is equal to 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. A cross C has every element in the set B cross D. 1, 5 is there here, 2, 5 is there here, 1, 6 is there here, 2, 6 is there here. So A cross C has every element in the set B cross D. Therefore, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. That was the problem 2 of 7. Now let us go to the problem 8. Let A be equal to the set 1, 2 and B be equal to the set 3, 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List them. Set A is given to be 1, 2. Set B is given to be 3, 4. A cross B we have to write, that is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. How many subsets will A Cartesian product B have? The number of subsets A cross B is equal to the number of elements in power set of A cross B, because power set of A cross B is the set of all subsets of A cross B. That is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B is equal to 4. So this is equal to 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 16. List them. We have to list all the subsets of A cross B. The subsets of A cross B are, first we will write the subsets containing one element. Set 1, 3, set 1, 4, set 2, 3, set 2, 4. Now we will write the subsets containing two elements. 1, 3, 1, 4, set 1, 3, 2, 3, set 1, 3, 2, 4, set 1, 4, 2, 3, set 1, 4, 2, 4, set 2, 3, 2, 4. Now we will write the subsets containing 3 elements. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, set 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. You know that empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set will be one of the subsets. Then every set is a subset of itself. So A cross B will be also the subset of A cross B. That was the problem number 8.